shape. So I get the luxury of working on 1975 Rolls-Royce. This car's junk. Oh, that. Want me to bring it back to life. They wasted their time. But let me get to it, YouTube. If I can find what it's there. Oh, keep it right here. Okay. It's just a motherfucking key. Go upside down. Fuck am I doing? Alright, YouTube, let me figure out this car. Alright, YouTube. Got my longboard. But knocked all that old shit out. Got it all down. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. They told me I'd go crazy with this. I ain't going crazy with nothing unless you're paying me. Like fixing all this little front. If I ain't getting paid for it, I ain't doing it. So, like this has rust on the side at the bottom. Down here. Grinded all that out. Yeah, filled it. So I finished that tomorrow. Alright.